Happy Friday. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Amethyst and I am a first-time mom to a beautiful baby girl named Elena. I make motherhood, lifestyle, and motivational videos here on YouTube, so if that is something that interests you, please make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and the notification bell so that you never miss when I post new content. I would love to have you join my mom power / fempower here on YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 quick and easy recipes for busy moms or homemakers or wives. So let's hop right into the video. All right, you guys, so for the first recipe in today's video, we are going to be making homemade pizza. So you have your marinara sauce of choice. I chose Prego, pepperoni. I skipped over the step of making my own pizza dough, and I'm using some Stonefire naan bread. We have some parsley to garnish the pizza, some mozzarella cheese, and some olive oil. Next, we're going to be setting our oven to bake, and we're going to put it on 400 degrees Fahrenheit, give or take, depending on how hot your oven gets. You know your oven, so depending on how hot your oven gets, you may need to increase or decrease this temperature by just a little bit. For this next step, we are going to be lining our baking dishes that we're using to bake our pizza with some parchment paper because we don't want the pizza to stick to the bottom. Okay, you guys, so for this next step, we're just going to take the naan bread out of its packaging, and I just want to bake this bread just a little bit so that it can rise and bake for a little. We're going to drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil, and you're going to put it in your oven for about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on your oven settings and how hot your oven gets. I don't know why I use this wooden spoon to try to spread out my olive oil, but I did end up getting a spatula. So you're just going to spread your olive oil out, and then we're going to put that in the oven, let that bake for about 2 to 3 minutes, you guys. After our 2 to 3 minutes has passed of our naan bread baking, we're going to take it out of the oven, and we're going to get ready to add our pepperoni, our cheese, and our marinara sauce for our pizza.
There will be a time when you and me finally can talk. If you speak now, your words will only tear us apart. I pray you'll find a way to mend your broken heart. Yeah, you can show me a new place to start. And you decide if you wanna play pretend. And you decide if you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again.
All right, you guys, now that the pizza's out of the oven, it is ready for us to eat. Like I said, I'm just going to take a little bit of parsley and garnish the top of my pizza. But other than that, this pizza is all done, you guys. Such a quick and easy recipe. All in all, takes about 10 minutes. I poured myself a nice glass of wine, and I'm ready to enjoy this pizza. All right, you guys, so for this next recipe, I got it from Pinterest. If you know me, you know I love Pinterest-inspired meals. So for the ingredients for our stuffed zucchini boats, we are going to need some ground turkey, or you can use ground beef, or I've even seen it be made with Italian sausage. So whatever meat you want to stuff it with, we are going to need some mozzarella cheese. Again, your marinara sauce of choice. I, again, have Prego. We are going to need some garlic that we're just going to use to add some flavor to our meat sauce. We have some zucchini, some onion, and then onto our seasonings, I have some salt, some pepper, again, some parsley to garnish. And you guys, this next is a staple. It is garlic pepper that me and my mom get from Dollar General. My mom calls it crack. We put it on everything, and it just adds so much flavor to your food. So for the next step, we again are going to put our oven on bake 400 degrees Fahrenheit, give or take, depending on your oven settings. You can go up or down just a little bit more. Next, we're going to be cutting up our zucchini so that we can make our boat. So you're just going to slice your zucchini in half. You are going to cut off the bottoms or your little tail part of your zucchini, and then we are after we have sliced off the tails and sliced our zucchinis in half, we're going to use a spoon and we're just going to cut out the guts part of the zucchini. And you guys could honestly save this to cook for something else, but I just decided to throw it in the trash, and I really should have used a scooper, but I only had a spoon. So use what you got, you guys, and you're just literally scooping out the guts, and we are going to be making the boats so that we can stuff it with our yummy meat sauce.
Sometimes I love too hard. Sometimes you go too far. Cool down, my love. Cool down, my love. Yeah. Sometimes there's attraction. It's hard to keep up with your passion. So cool down, my love. Cool down, my love. Sometimes I wanna give all of me. Sometimes I wanna scream, oh my God, you got me in so much trouble now. Sometimes I just wanna tell you to stop, so you don't go and break my heart. I'm so confused, babe, I just don't know. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind? I can't let you go so easily. 'Cause baby, we got chemistry. We got something special. But you want the whole world. Cool down, my love. Cool down, my love. Sometimes I wanna give all of me. Sometimes I wanna scream, oh my God, you got me in so much trouble now. Sometimes I just wanna tell you to stop, so you don't go and break my heart. I'm so confused, babe, I just don't know. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind? I can't let you go so easily. 'Cause baby, we got chemistry. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind? No, I can't let you go. No, I don't. No, I don't. Yeah. 'Cause baby, we got chemistry.
Okay, you guys, so now that we have made our meat sauce, we are simply going to stuff our zucchini boats. So you're just going to get a spoon, you're going to add your meat sauce to all of your zucchini boats that we have now added to a baking dish, and then you are going to add your cheese. You guys, I don't know about y'all, but I love cheese. Let me know down in the comments below if you are a big dairy person or if you aren't, but I could not live without cheese. My daughter will go in the refrigerator herself and open it and get cheese out. So if you see me overloading on cheese, do not judge me, you guys. I put so much cheese on these things, but it's so good. I just love cheese. I love dairy, and I just feel like you can't go wrong with adding cheese. So next, we're just going to put our zucchini boats in the oven, and you are going to let them bake. This is just me being silly while I wait for my zucchini boats to be done cooking, but you're gonna let these bake in the oven for about 25 minutes. And when you take them out, you want the cheese to be pretty brown and you want the zucchini to be pretty soft and cooked. Clearly, Elena was hungry because she tried to stick her hand in a hot oven, but you guys, they're all done. I added some parsley for a garnish and look at how delicious, yum. Look. So for our final recipe in today's video, we are going to be making shredded chicken nachos. So I've already cleaned my chicken. I'm adding it to my crock pot. Then I'm going to add in some chicken broth. I've seen people use water to boil the chicken in, but I just thought chicken broth would give it a little bit more flavor. Now I'm just adding my seasoning, some salt, some pepper, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and of course my garlic pepper, aka crack, that I add onto everything. This is one of the longer recipes in today's video just because you have to let the chicken sit in the crock pot for about 2-3 hours, but you could do some things around the house like clean or do some laundry as you wait. So that is a good thing. And you guys, I thought that I was filming me shredding this chicken the whole time, but of course I never pressed record on my camera. So thankfully I realized it before I was completely done so I could at least show you guys me shredding the chicken. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys have an easier way of shredding chicken because I feel like this was so time consuming using the 2 forks. Though the chicken should be tender enough that it's pretty easy to pull apart, but I just feel like this took entirely too long. So let me know if you have any tips. For this next step, you could totally skip this, but I just wanted to do this. So I am going to actually brown my chicken just a little bit more. So I'm just adding a little bit of olive oil to a pan, and I'm just going to let this cook and let it brown and add a little bit more of my garlic pepper just to give it some more seasoning. I'll probably let this cook for about maybe 4 or 5 minutes, and I just want to let the chicken get a little bit more brown.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, start feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness.
Okay, you guys, this is my secret ingredient for this recipe, and it is that I use nacho cheese Doritos as my base instead of tortilla chips. You are totally free to use tortilla chips if you like, but my family has just always used some form of Doritos for when we make nachos. Now I am just plating and adding all of my ingredients. So you're going to add your shredded chicken, you're going to add the bell peppers that we sauteed, you're going to add the tomatoes, drizzle the cheese, and then I like to add a dollop of sour cream to my nachos. You can totally make this recipe your own, and you could add, say, black beans, you could add corn, you could even add guac, but this will be a huge hit with your family. It does take a little bit longer because of the chicken, but you guys, look how amazing it's about to look when I drizzle this cheese on top, and you guys are again seeing my cheese addiction, but look how good this looks. Yum. Alright you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope this video gave you tons of motivation and inspiration to get in your kitchen and make something quick and easy for yourself, your family, or your kids. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up so that I can know to continue to create this type of content. And let me know down in the comments below any quick recipe ideas that you guys have, or if you enjoyed any of these recipes, and let me know which one was your favorite. Also, tag me on Instagram if you decide to make any of these recipes. My Instagram handle is _amethystgreen. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and remember, strive for happiness, not perfection. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.